Welcome back, my dear students. So we got a couple things going on in our application. Some of the things that I want to start adding to it. I want to add the owner of the comment. And now keep in mind, guys, that we add in this comment section here, but we might have to modify this later because we don't want every user to be able to see all the comments, right? We want them to see their comments. And maybe we don't even want them to see their comments. We don't even want them to manage their comments. So we might have to create some type of admin later on that helps with this. An admin that has access to every piece of data in this application. We want regular users to be able to see their posts, to be able to create their own posts, and if they see somebody else's post, not be able to do anything about it, right? Something like that. But we'll deal with that later. Right now, what I want to show you is how to bring this data here, and that you probably already know. But I wanted to have this little neat feature here, maybe for an admin later on. So let's get to it. What I want to do is I want to go to comments, and in this route here, I want to populate it with a user. Remember that we have a relationship, and now if we go back to the comments index, we should be able to say user, and we see an object or something there. Huh. Okay. That was supposed to happen there. We're populating the user. Let's check the model. Oh. Yeah. I had that cursor there for some reason. I might have saw this maybe in another lecture and wanted to fit in and was waiting for this Edwin from the past to make the mistake or something. I don't know. I think that was it. Refresh, and yep, that's it. Let's go back to index, the comments index, and let's do Edwin first. User first name, and of course the only person that has been making comments is his person right here called Edwin, which is your instructor. Okay, let's format the date too. What is it? How was the date formatted before? I think we were playing around with. Let's come back here. Let's see what the functionality that I have right here. I'm just gonna use that. Why bother, right? Come back here, and there we go. That should do the trick. Voila. Now, and this is something that I want you guys to do. Try to do this before I get to it. I want you to put a delete button here somewhere, okay? And in the next lecture, I will show you how to do that. Of course, you already know how to do that, but I want you to do it yourself. So this is your quiz. This is your little test, your little challenge, okay? So just in case for those of you that get asked by the platform, hey, listen, you're learning something well. If you're not doing the challenges and you're writing the code with me, you're not learning. So get to that. Put a delete button there because we want to be able to delete those comments from there. Now, one thing that I also want to build here is the ability to be able to see this in a different format. Like for example, I want to be able to see like only the comments available to that specific user. Okay, but that's something that we got to do later on. But I also want the ability to be able to comment once we delete the post that has the comment. That's going to be an interesting feature, right? But anyway, so just do the first, what I just asked with the delete functionality, and I'll do that in the next lecture, guys. Thank you.